Hi there, and thanks for tuning in to Wednesdays with Wit. I'm Whitney, and today we'll be discussing email templates. First of all, you probably want to know, why would I use an email template? Well, let's talk about it. First, you might want to use an email template because it is very efficient. You know, I'm all about saving time and doing things as quickly and as efficiently as I can and doing them correct. Email templates are very efficient. They help you save time because they're already created and personalized with the content that you need in them. You just need to send it. Secondly, email templates, they speed up the process of sales. So let's say you receive an email from a client. You can then reply back with one of your email templates in your inbox. That way the client believes that they are getting quick response from you and a very timely response, when in reality your email is just saying, hey, I've received your email, I'll reply back to you within 48 hours. So it buys you some time to reply back to the client when it is most convenient for you. Thirdly, email templates help eliminate the need to switch in between apps. So I don't know about you, but I like editing my emails and making sure that I'm using proper grammar and that I'm using the right syntax and sentence structure. So sometimes I will copy and paste it into the email. But if you already have an email template created, you've already taken time to write out a thoughtful response. And so then you don't have to copy and paste and go in between apps. You can just send it directly from your inbox. Fourthly, email templates help with consistency. Sometimes in your line of work, kind of depends and varies person to person, you might receive emails that ask the same exact thing. What is the process for X? Who do I contact about this? Those types of emails, we hate answering them because we're like, don't people know this already? But they may not know. So whenever you get those emails, if you already have an email template crafted, you can give the same consistent answer and consistent response to each email that is along that same target or is about that same issue. Lastly, email templates can help deliver a personalized experience. That way, the recipient won't just like click, click, click and delete through their emails. That increases the likelihood that they'll actually open it and read it. Let's take a look at how to create an email template. Let's explore how to create an email template in Gmail. First, select Compose a New Message. In the subject, you'll want to include the subject of the email template that you would like to create. Mine will be "Thank you for contacting me," as it will be an automatic reply to anyone who sends me an email via my form on my website. I've included the body and the closing as well as my email signature in the email too. Then select the three dots, which is more options, right next to the trash can. You'll select Templates, Save Draft as Template, then Save a New Template. You can enter in a name or your subject will automatically default. Hit Save, and now you can just simply delete this email. Anytime you'd like to use this email template, just click Compose, and then the three dots that are right next to the trash can. Then select Templates and choose from the list of templates that you've already created. Voila, just like that, all your information is pre-populated for you in the email templates, and you can send it to whomever you like. Now we're going to explore how to create an email template using Outlook Mail. First, click New Message. Then you want to select the three dots at the bottom of the screen and select My Templates. You can hit the plus sign with templates, enter in the subject again, or the title of the template, and then include the body message that you would like to include, and then hit Save. Then you'll go to your email and you'll select the three dots again, choose from My Templates, and then literally click on the template that you would like to use. Unlike Gmail, you will have to enter in the subject of your email again, but boom, just like that, you have an email template in Outlook that's ready to send. That's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed today's Wednesday with Wit. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And until we meet again, take care.